Condos versus house. Which one's better? This is a very popular question that I get asked by a lot of first-time home buyers as well as investors in the Toronto real estate market. Today we're going to be examining pros and cons of living in a condo or a house. By the end of this video, we'll be asking you 3 questions so you can find out your true answer. What's up guys, it's Jonathan here. If you're a home buyer or interested in real estate, this channel is for you. Let's get started by talking about the pros and the cons of condos. Convenience. Condos are usually located in urban areas and within walking distance to restaurants and grocery stores. This is where you can think about savings in travel time, parking fees, fuel costs, and even the job of parking itself. Some condos even have a grocery store attached to the building. Especially during poor weather conditions or when time is tight, this can be a real blessing. Now, if you want to cut down on driving or don't drive at all, this is where the convenience of public transportation comes into play, as many condos are situated around transportation hubs or even the subway or train station. Some condos even have direct access to the subway via underground parking levels. You can literally roll out of bed and straight into the seat of the subway. How awesome is that? Colleges and universities are also usually close by. Amenities. Many condo owners have attractive amenities which can include a gym, a library, a swimming pool, a hot tub or sauna, barbecue area, bowling alley, party room, games room, tennis court, or even a basketball court. Now, while these vary from building to building, it can translate to monthly savings, such as a costly gym membership or even travel time to your local swimming pool. Can you imagine how expensive these would be if somebody had this in their house? Easier to maintain. This is one of those big advantages of living in a condo. The owner is only really responsible for maintaining inside their unit. Everything outside the front door is taken care of by the building employees, like the cleaners and superintendent. That gives you one less thing to worry about in life, so you can focus on the more important things. Security/concierge services. Many condos have 24-hour security/concierge service, so there's always somebody there for you if needed. How about a parcel delivery from your online shopping? Yup, they can often be there for you to receive your package. You can pick it up at a later time. Next, we're going to talk about condo cons. Noise and smells. Because condo units are side by side, your neighbors will be quite close by. This means that the sound and smells can travel through the front door, and for sounds even through adjoining walls. These noises can include music, neighbors arguing, the fire alarm, and cars racing late in the night. This of course varies on the building and neighborhood, but don't be discouraged, there is some solutions to these, and not all buildings are the same. Pet and or smoking restrictions. Do you have 3 or 4 furry friends that will be living with you? Before creating a future of having to hide half your pets, you should definitely verify with the condo management before making a buying decision. Condo owners might be restricted on where you can smoke and the number of types of pets you can have. This can be a big deal depending on the type of lifestyle that you live. Maintenance fee. This is one of those ones that everyone's concerned about. You're going to have to pay a monthly condo maintenance fee. This covers items like water, heat, hydro, landscaping, building insurance, and other amenities. Keep in mind, a portion of this monthly fee will go into something called a reserve fund. This reserve fund is to cover major repairs and upgrades to the building. This includes items as an elevator or a rooftop. Maintenance fees, generally speaking, do continue to rise over the years. This is one of those reasons why a lot of my clients, when they're searching for a condo, the first thing that comes to their mind is maintenance fees. But the truth is that most of the new condos are the ones that have the lower maintenance fees, as over time, when the condo is older, the price increases in terms of the maintenance. If the condo corporation does not have enough money in the reserve fund for major repair, this can end up being something called a special assessment. What happens is that every unit owner will have to end up paying additional amounts per month to cover these costs. Now we're going to talk about the pros and cons of a house. Land. One of those primary advantages of owning a house is that you actually own a piece of land. For a condo unit, it's technically space in the air. When you have a house on top of land, you can build a shed, gazebo, a swimming pool, a garden, host backyard parties, or even maybe build your childhood dream treehouse. Best part is, almost everything is private. A safe fenced off backyard for your kids, and for your pets to run free. Extra indoor and outdoor space. If space is what you value, a house may be the one for you. with larger rooms, larger kitchens, and maybe a finished basement that you can rent it out and make extra income. This is something a condo will have a hard time competing against. Privacy. If you're that guy that was playing that loud rock music at 2 o'clock in the morning in the condo, man, get a house. This is the best thing for you. You can be as loud as you want. And here's an important one for a lot of guys. A garage where you can store your cars and have a whole bunch of different types of private storage. Control over design. One of the disadvantages of a condo is the rules set in place regarding design. You will likely not be able to go crazy with painting your front door with your hair, or have a colorful winter holiday lights hanging off your balcony with a blow-up snowman. Also, since you don't technically own the exterior of your home in a condo, there really isn't anything you can do about it. A house, on the other hand, is a completely different story. You can smash your house down with a wrecking ball and just build a new house over top of it. Less extreme, you can simply renovate your house entirely the way you want it to be. You can knock down the walls if you don't like it. Basically, a house you can completely customize it in the way a condo never can. You can start shampooing your hair with paint and spin till your neck hurts. Now we're going to talk about house cons. Indoor maintenance. On the inside of your house, just to name a few things, you're going to have to clean more, there's going to be some plumbing costs, HVAC, which is heating, ventilation, air conditioning repairs, and other day-to-day services are required. The outdoor also requires lots of maintenance. Just to name a few, you have to mow your lawn, trim hedges, prune trees, painting, clean the eaves draw. Snow is a beautiful thing for Mother Nature, until you have to do this, maybe even daily in the wintertime. Color changing leaves are beautiful until they fall and you have to do this. Higher utility bills. Because houses are generally bigger in square footage than condo units, the utility bills like heat and hydro and water will likely be higher. Alright, so now that you know what the pros and cons are of condos and houses, you can ask yourself these 3 questions. Number 1, what fits your budget? Number 2, what lifestyle do you prefer? Number 3, what is your long-term plan? So now you can write the pros and cons down on a tally sheet. You can sum everything up all together and then you'll know exactly what is the most suitable place for you. I really hope that this video is helpful for you in deciding what is the most suitable home for you. There will be a new video coming every week, so please subscribe and stay tuned. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and share this information with your friends. You can also check out my other social medias or my website, or you can just simply give me a call. Thank you for watching and I hope you have a wonderful day.